The topic before us is future challenges of antivirus software. As you are aware that cyber criminals are always busy in developing new variants of viruses and other forms of malicious softwares. They are making use of artificial intelligence and machine learning to develop sophisticated malicious softwares. They are also posing cloud threats. They are creating more and more trouble for IoT devices. So all these types of developments in which the cyber criminals are making use of fileless malicious software, polymorphic malicious software, they are posing a great challenge for the antivirus software companies. And the antivirus experts are always busy in taking the necessary steps so that they can also protect the computer systems from the new versions of the malicious software. Now we will go into somewhat detail of the future challenges of antivirus software. The antivirus software will continue to face numerous challenges in future because the cyber threats and technology are always changing and getting better. Here are some of the potential challenges antivirus software may encounter. First is artificial intelligence and machine learning based malware. As artificial intelligence and machine learning technologies are making progress, there is always the possibility that cyber criminals will also make use of these technologies to develop sophisticated and adaptive malicious softwares. This will make the work of antivirus software more challenging. The antivirus software will find it more difficult to detect and mitigate these threats. Next is cloud-based threats. Cloud-based computing provides us many benefits, but at the same time, it also introduces many security challenges to us. As you know, more and more organizations are making use of cloud-based services. Antivirus software will need to provide protection against cloud-based threats such as data breaches, unauthorized access, or theft of the sensitive data stored in the cloud, cloud-based denial of service attacks. Next is advanced persistent threats. Advanced persistent threats may be launched by nation-state actors or well-funded criminal organizations. These threats pose significant challenges to antivirus software. Advanced persistent threats may utilize custom-built or zero-day threats or polymorphic and fileless malware. These types of attacks are highly sophisticated and secretive, and it is very difficult to detect these threats. These threats are specifically designed to attack targeted organizations or individuals. It means that they have their own specific targets. It is very challenging for the antivirus software to detect and mitigate advanced persistent threats because of the technologies being used by them. Next is IoT security. Increase in the number of mobile and IoT devices in the recent years has expanded the attack surface area for malware. Antivirus software will need to adapt and provide effective security solutions for mobile and IoT devices. It must be noted that antivirus software primarily focuses on detecting and removing only those viruses which are known based on the signature based scanning to ensure full protection or robust protection against a wide range of cyber threats. Implementing multiple layers of security is essential. It means that in addition to installing anti-malware or antivirus software, we have to need we have to take many other steps to protect our computer system and data from viruses and malicious softwares. Multiple layers of cybersecurity, that is, those additional steps may include antivirus and anti-malware, installing firewall, making use of IDPS, that is intrusion detection and prevention system, use of filtering solutions for email and web content, keeping software up to date, educating our oneself as well as the users about cybersecurity best practices, regularly backing up critical or important data, network segmentation. Now we will like to conclude this course. We can protect our computer system from viruses by taking steps such as using reputed antivirus or anti-malware software, keeping operating system updated, scanning USB drive before using, cautious of email attachments and malicious links, regularly backing up of our data, practicing safe browsing habits. If our computer system becomes infected, we should disconnect it from the internet as well as the local area network. We should run full scan of our computer system with antivirus software. We should disconnect our computer system from external storage device, and if need be, we should seek professional help to remove the virus from our computer system. Antivirus software makes use of various technologies and techniques to detect and remove malware. These days, there is no distinction when it comes to antivirus or anti-malware. Antivirus or anti-malware software should be purchased from well-established and trusted company, and the said software should have the features such as 24/7 real-time threat protection, automatic updates, email scanning, behavior analysis, etc. Antivirus software should focus Antivirus software focuses primarily on detecting and removing known malware and viruses to ensure robust protection against a wide range of cyber threats. Implementing multiple layers of security is essential. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.